Hello, aviation enthusiasts. Welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network, where we bring you everything you need to know about the world of aviation maintenance. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for our Nigerian subscribers looking to work in aircraft maintenance: getting your NCAA aircraft maintenance license in Nigeria. If you're aspiring to be an aircraft engineer, this license is your ticket to a successful career in aviation. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is the NCAA aircraft maintenance license? The Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, or NCAA, is the regulatory body overseeing aviation in Nigeria. To work legally as an aircraft maintenance engineer or technician, you need to be licensed by the NCAA. This ensures that you meet the high standards required to maintain the safety and airworthiness of aircraft. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Basic education and training route. To qualify for the NCAA aircraft maintenance license, you need to have a basic educational background, typically with a minimum of a secondary school certificate or SSCE, with credits in core subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English. After that, you must enroll in an NCAA-approved aviation training school. These are institutions or approved training organizations that offer programs designed to train you on aircraft maintenance and prepare you for the NCAA exams. You gain practical experience working on aircraft in these institutions where you log your aircraft maintenance participation experience. This could be standard training for those directly from secondary school, which typically takes about 120 weeks, or an abridged training for those with a degree in a relevant associated field, which lasts for at least about 24 weeks. Such ATOs include NCAT, AFIT, etc. Check our video on the active NCAA-approved AME ATOs in Nigeria. Step 2. Practical experience route. If you do not attend an approved training institution, you'll need to gain practical experience working on aircraft. Some candidates do this by securing an apprenticeship or trainee position with an airline or a maintenance organization. The NCAA typically requires at least 3 years of hands-on experience, where you'll work under the supervision of a licensed engineer who will also sign off your logbook. Step 3. Passing the exams. After gaining the necessary experience, it's time to sit for the NCAA exams. It is a computer-based multiple-choice exam. These exams test your knowledge of various aspects of aircraft maintenance, including airframe, power plant, and air law for those seeking an airframe and power plant license, A and P, popularly called the B1 license. Then instrument, electrics, and air law for those seeking an avionics license, popularly called the B2 license. After the theoretical exams, you will sit for skill tests and oral exams. Air law is compulsory for both license categories. The exams are rigorous, so thorough preparation is essential. Many training institutions offer preparatory courses specifically designed to help candidates pass these exams. Try to lay your hands on past questions and get familiar with the exam pattern. Step 4. Apply for your license. Once you've successfully passed your exams and meet all other requirements, you can apply for your license from the NCAA. The license comes in different categories depending on the type of maintenance you'll be performing, such as airframe and power plant, A and P, or avionics, 8.1, instruments, and 9.1, electrics. You can as well get licensed in both categories over time. This license is renewable periodically, typically every 5 years, and it's important to stay updated with your skills and knowledge to maintain your license validity. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to obtaining your NCAA aircraft maintenance license in Nigeria. It's a challenging journey, but one that opens up a world of opportunities in the aviation industry. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Aircraft Technician Network for more aviation tips and insights. Fly safe, and see you in the next video.